In this video, I will show you how to create an account or log into your UC Tap application. If you have a second device, I recommend watching this video on your phone and then using your laptop to get to the UC Tap application. If you don't have a second device, maybe consider having two windows that you can flip back and forth. Okay, let's get started. Open up your web browser and go to uctap.universityofcalifornia.edu/students/. It's going to take you to this main page. If you already have a TAP login, go ahead and log in and move on to the next video. If you don't have one yet, you're going to click on this button that says New to UC Tap, create an account now, and you're going to continue to watch this video so that I can show you how to create an account. So if you're ready, go ahead and click on the button. Let's get started with setting up your account. You can see that it's asking you for your full legal name. In the first box, you type in your name. For this video, I decided my name was Barbara, middle name. My middle name will be Santa, and last name, Vaquero. So you will type in your full legal name as you see it in your legal documents. Now, if you have a preferred name, you can type that preferred name in this box under preferred first name. This is optional, so if you don't have one, you can leave it blank. Next, you have to type in your email address. This is a made-up email address, so don't email me there, vaquero@gmail.com, and then you retype the email address to make sure that you didn't make any mistakes the first time you typed it. Next, you're going to type in your date of birth. This is a made-up birthday for me, but you're going to put in your real birthday. I said I was born on January 1st, 1998, and then I got a red message that says, take a moment to confirm the birthday above is correct. We want to make sure that you put in your right birthday. Not that you don't know your birthday, but sometimes there's a typo or your finger slips, and so we want to avoid that. In the next section, you go on to creating your TAP login information. So you can create a login ID that you will remember. I went ahead and used my email address. It's just easier for me than to try to create something new and remember something new. And then you create your password. Your password must have at least 7 characters. It must contain an uppercase letter, a lowercase letter, a number, and a punctuating character. It may not contain any spaces. It also cannot contain any double quotes, ampersand, colon, semicolon, single quote, or backquote. Okay, so once you meet the criteria for each thing, you will see a check mark appear. So if I get rid of one thing, you'll see that that check mark disappeared. So that's something to look out for. If you're missing something, you just add it towards the beginning or the end to make sure you meet all of the check marks. Once you've created your password, you can type that in on the retype password box and then move on to your secret question. For your secret question, you have a list to pick from. You pick the one that you're going to remember the answer to. I went ahead and picked, in what city did you go to high school? Then I wrote Santa Barbara and retyped my answer. Make sure there's no spelling errors and that the answers are exactly the same. Next, read the information and usage policy. Once you've read it all and you agree, click the box to say that you agree and click Save. Before I move on, I wanted to call your attention to this green box here, where it says having trouble, contact us about technical problems with UC Tap. So you can click that button and get some help if you're having any issues with setting up your account.